Hi, welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Certainly. Here are 10 general rules for life that can serve as guiding principles. 1. Take responsibility for your actions. Acknowledge that you have control over your choices and their consequences. Embrace responsibility and learn from your mistakes. 2. Be authentic. Stay true to yourself and your values. Don't try to be someone you're not or conform to others' expectations. Embrace your uniqueness and express yourself genuinely. 3. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of appreciation for the people, experiences, and things in your life. Focus on what you have rather than what you lack, and express gratitude regularly. 4. Pursue personal growth. Continuously seek opportunities for self-improvement and personal development. Set goals, challenge yourself, and embrace new experiences that help you learn and grow. 5. Foster meaningful relationships. Nurture and invest in relationships with family, friends, and loved ones. Surround yourself with positive influences, support others, and build deep connections. 6. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, healthy eating, adequate rest, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. 7. Embrace resilience. Life can be challenging, but cultivating resilience allows you to bounce back from setbacks and face adversity with strength. Develop a positive mindset, learn from failures, and adapt to change. 8. Be kind and compassionate. Treat others with kindness, empathy, and compassion. Show understanding and support, and strive to make a positive impact on the lives of those around you. 9. Seek knowledge and wisdom. Embrace a lifelong pursuit of knowledge and continuous learning. Read books, explore new subjects, engage in intellectual conversations, and seek wisdom from various sources. 10. Live in the present moment. Practice mindfulness and focus on the present. Appreciate the beauty of the present moment, as it's the only one we truly have. Avoid dwelling on the past or excessively worrying about the future. Remember, these rules are general guidelines, and everyone's journey is unique. Adapt and modify them to align with your own values and circumstances. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.